Hey guys, so the Dr. Jart brand came out with a couple new Cicapair products, and like all the other ones in the past, I had to have them. The first one is the new gel cream, which is definitely more of a gel texture than the cream of the Cicapair. If you remember how thick and creamy it was very thick. This one's definitely much more of a gel texture to it, and definitely probably a little bit more friendly towards oily skin than the initial product. I went through my tube pretty quickly, and it really helped with dry skin. However, it seems the more and more products they release, the less and less and less it really becomes about the Centella asiatica, the Cica plant, because in this, those are the last ingredients, the Centella asiatica extract, and then the extract from the stem of it. So you're not getting a ton of those. There are a couple ingredients where they market it for sensitive skin, but it does contain a couple of fragrance ingredients, lavender oil and bergamot oil. So if you really truly have very sensitive skin, be a little bit cautious because it does have a couple of those essential oils for fragrance. So anyway, so that is that new one. And still got the camo grass drops, the tiger grass camo drops, and then the cream, which actually I still use both of these occasionally. They also had the serum, which I went through, and then the initial cream, which I also went through and haven't repurchased. And then they also came out new with a mist, and the mist is definitely something you don't want to use as a setting spray or over your makeup. It is a bit thick when it sprays out, so it's not like an ultra fine mist like some other products have, but it is not super thick of a mist, but just definitely something you don't want to apply over makeup, but it can be used after you cleanse your skin, or they recommend also using it as a toner. So after cleansing, you can mist this on, kind of use it as a toner. So, but anyway, this one also, sadly, the Cica plant is the second to the last ingredient on the list, so you're not getting a ton of the Cica plant. And then this one also contains the lavender and bergamot essential oils. Lincoln's thirsty. He seems to get thirsty whenever I record. So anyway, so I thought I would mention a couple of these new products, and these are just my first impressions, just noticing that there's not a ton of the Cica plant in there. It does seem to kind of get less and less with each product. Although I must say I did like the nightly repair mask. I've still got a few of these on hand. Really like to travel with them because of the individual packaging, but anyway, all the dogs are in here and it's going crazy. They just can't get enough of me. They're ready to go to my dad's house and go swimming. That's what they're really excited about. Every night they go over there and go swimming. So anyway, so not necessarily things you have to have. If you're really interested in the Cica plant, a lot of you guys have been trying to get me to try the Purito brand, and their products contain a lot of the Cica plant. I believe it's about 49%. Oh, Ike's next, I guess, for water. Sorry, Ike. So this is their sunscreen, which contains a lot of the Centella asiatica plant. Their eye cream, which I'm loving. And then they have a buffet serum, which it's also more affordable, and it contains a little bit more of the Centella plant and a little bit less of the fragrance. So if you're interested in the Dr. Jart products, but they're a little bit too fragrant for your sensitive skin, or a little bit not budget friendly, the Purito brand would be definitely one I would recommend you check out. So I'm trying it now. I haven't had these for a long time, but now I've been trying them for several days and I'm really liking them. So I just thought I would offer an alternative. So anyway, so new products from Dr. Jart. Check them out if you're interested. If you guys have tried them, definitely leave a comment and let me know what your thoughts are of them. Anyway, and I will see you guys tomorrow, and thank you so much. Bye, guys.